Yeah, good evening everyone. Good evening all. Good evening. Let me know is audio video okay or not. Let me know this. Let me know audio video okay or not. Check one time. Yeah, I think all people came. All people came. I think we can start. Can we start now? I think all are came. Yeah. So good evening everyone. Good evening. Yeah, Rachit, you can buy. You can buy in that. You can buy. Let me know if you face any problem. Yeah, we can go ahead. We can go ahead now. Yeah, let me start. I think everything is ready. We can start now. Thanks everyone. One time say good evening. One time say good evening. One time say good evening. Yeah. So let me share the screen also. Let me share the screen also. Good evening everyone. Good evening. Let me share the screen also. Yeah, DSA course. Let me share. Good evening everyone. Good evening. Yeah, DSA course. DSA course. So first of all, first we will target algorithm. In DSA course, first we will target the algorithm. First algorithm. Second programming. Algorithm means normally logics. Right? In the DSA course, first we will target the algorithm. Algorithm means logics. It is not related to any programming language, logics. Right? So second one is programming. Second one, we will concentrate programming. So third one, we will go for DSA, right? Data structures. Third one, we are going to do data structures. Right? Next one, we are going to do practice questions. Approximately 300 to 500 practice questions we will do. $300 to 500 practice questions we will do. Right? So D, right? First we will do algorithm, next programming, next data structures, followed by 300 to 500 practice questions we will do with coding. Right? With coding. Next one, right? Next one. Let me write. After completion of this, what we will discuss is, right? OS, basics and interview questions. OS subject, whatever basics needed, OS basics and interview questions. OS basics and interview questions. And in the similar way, OS followed by DBMS, DBMS basics, and interview questions. And next one, computer network basics, some interview questions. And after completion of these, right? So there is a fourth topic, that is the system design. Right? There is a fourth topic, system design. Right? Those people who want system design, they can study this also, because nowadays in every company interview, this also there. Nowadays in every company interview, this also there. Right? So algo programming data structure you learn properly, followed by 300 to 500 problems you practice, followed by OS basics you study, and some interview questions, DBMS basics you study, some interview questions, computer network basics you study, some interview questions you do, right? So system design also required in some companies, right? Most probably big MNCs, they are using system design also, right? So yeah, we'll go one by one. Now take the first one, algorithm. First one is algorithm. First one is algorithm. Right? It's a major one. First one is algorithm. Right? We are going to discuss about the subject and the syllabus. So let's start the algorithm. I'm writing the syllabus. The first one in algorithm. Right? Algorithm I'm starting. The first one in algorithm is, I think I can say, time complexity, space complexity. Time complexity finding and space complexity finding. This is the first topic. Because without this, we cannot proceed further. Right? First one is algorithm, time complexity finding, space complexity finding. Right? So without this, you cannot do anything. In every algorithm, we will discuss about what is the time complexity, what is the space complexity. In algorithm, it is the first topic, time complexity and space complexity finding. So we are going to discuss the detail about this. Right? Some good problems also I will give, so that any algorithm is given, you can easily handle. That is the first one. Second topic is going to be asymptotic notation. In algorithm, right, most of the time we will use this notation, asymptotic notation. Asymptotic notation. In algorithm, the second topic is, because everywhere this asymptotic notation is needed. Time complexity, space complexity finding is the first topic. Second one is asymptotic notation, which contain big O, omega, and theta. Right? Asymptotic notation, big O, omega, theta. Right? So, right, in algorithm subject, first topic is time complexity, space complexity finding. Second one is asymptotic notation, big O, omega, theta. Without these three symbols, you cannot study algorithm. Right? So some people are saying, sir, I want to do directly coding. For what purpose you will do coding? Yeah. First, you should know concept, right? Right? Efficient algorithm. How you find out efficient? Without time and space, how you know which is efficient? So time and space required to write the efficient algorithm. Next one. Every subject or every domain having its own notation. Algorithm subject having its own notation. Algorithm subject having its own notation. Every subject having its own notation. Algorithm subject is having its own notation. Right? That is the asymptotic notation, big O, omega, theta. We are going to discuss that one. Next one. Third one, we are going to discuss about recursion. This is the major one. Recursion, recurrence relation, recurrence relation. Next one, recurrence relation solving. Recurrence relation solving. So this is the third topic, which is very, very important one. Recursion, recurrence relation, recurrence relation solving. It is the third topic. Fourth one, divide and conquer, which is the very, very important one. Fourth one is divide and conquer. Fifth one, greedy technique. Greedy technique. So sixth one, dynamic programming. Seventh one, other topics. Other topics. Some extra topics. Right? So these are the main things. Some other topics also there. Some extra topics also there. Right? Some extra topics also there. So we are going to cover this. Few more. Right? Some extra topics you can say. Right? So these are the main things. 1 to 6 are main. 1 to 6 are main. Seventh one is some extra topics we are going to discuss. Don't worry. Time complexity, space complexity finding, asymptotic notation, recursion, recurrence relation solving, divide and conquer, greedy technique, dynamic programming. Right? Here, see this one, DP. Right? DP, we have to practice 25 problems. DP practice 25 problems. Greedy practice 25 problems minimum. Right? Divide and conquer practice 25 problems. Right? Divide and conquer is 25, greedy is 25, DP is 25. You do in the form of a coding, then it's more than enough. Remember, first three topics, they may not come directly. They will come indirectly. When you are analyzing algorithm, recursion will come. Recurrence relation will come. Recurrence relation solving will come. Asymptotic notation will come. Time complexity, space complexity will come. So they may not come directly. 1, 2, 3 may not come directly. They will come indirectly. So DSA, divide and conquer, do 25 problems. Greedy technique 25 with program. You have to write program. Divide and conquer 25. Greedy technique 25. DP 25. DSE 25. Greedy 25. DP 25. You please do that. Automatically you will be perfect. Sir, how I can be in DSA perfect, sir? Just give 3 months to me. 3 months, whatever I will say, do. You just to do 3 months, whatever I will say, just to do in 3 months. Whatever I will say, 3 months dedicatedly work. You work 3 months dedicatedly, you will be expert in the DSA. Sir, I'm really poor in the DSA, sir. I'm really poor. Trust me, I guided from the last 15 years many people. I can say I'm not counted. Lakhs of people I guided. My students are there in the big MNCs, including FANG. Big companies, my students are there. You will also go to big companies. You will also go to big companies. Time complete, right? Just learn whatever I'm saying. Just to do practice. Right? Approximately is on 300 to 500 problems practice. In the form of coding, you do 300 to 500. Start small problems, no problem. Start with the small problems, no problem at all. Then go to bigger one. So if you want, you can do 300 also. You can do 100 easy problems first to try. Right? In the form of program. 100 easy problems you try. 100 tough, 100 medium problems you do. 100 tough problems you do. That is also okay. After completion of these, still if you have doubt, 2 more 100. 100 here, 100 here. Average problems do, right? 1 more 200. Average problems do 1 more 200. Right? So easy problems 50, 100 you do. Average problems 100 you do initially. right? Next one, tough problems or hard problems, do 100. This is the first step. After completion of algorithm and data structure, first to, right, whenever this subject going on, you no need to practice anything. Practice the notes first. Whenever these subjects are going on, algorithm data structure, right, going on, whenever algorithm data structure is going on, you just practice, right? You just practice the notes first. Whenever algorithm is going on, you just practice the class. After completion of all three, then go for the practice. Then go for the practice. So DSC 25 you do. I will do 10. You practice 15 more. Greedy, I will do 10. You do 15 more. DP, I will do 10. You do 15 more. Right? Afterwards, small problems onwards you start. 300 to 500 problems you practice. You will become, right? I'm saying to you, 3 months studying, 3 months practice. 3 months study. DSA, 3 months study. Right? 3 months practice. 3 months practice. 3 months study, 3 months practice. Then you will be expert, DSA expert. Right? I hope everything is fine. I hope everything is fine. In algorithm, we are going to discuss this. After algorithm is over, we will discuss about data structure. After algorithm is over, we are going to discuss data structure. Right? Remember, after algo is over, we are going to discuss data structure. Right? Try to understand. Right? So first, let me complete. I cannot write the total syllabus, not required also. First, to concentrate whichever is needed. Time complexity, space complexity finding, asymptotic notation, recursion, recurrence relation solving, DAC 25, DP 25, greedy technique 25. Other topics we are going to cover. Right? Other topics. What are the other topics? Afterwards, we'll discuss. Right? 300 to 500 problems you do practice. You will be perfect in the algorithm and data structure. Means DSA you are going to be perfect. DSA you are going to be perfect. Right? Now first topic. Write the first topic. Write the first topic. Just I am writing algorithm. Subject name I am writing. Algorithms. Let's complete a few basics. Then we will go to the time complexity, space complexity. Let me write the few basics required. Let me write the few basics. Afterwards, we will go to time complexity, space complexity. First chapter will go. Right? Let's go to the algorithm. Right? Algorithm. So this is the starting point. Previous all, you no need to bother. Previous all, whatever I said till now, you no need to bother. In my opinion, today's class is just starting from now onwards. Today's class is just starting from now onwards. I'm giving the time also. Time I think today is 28:25. This is the today's date. In my opinion, today's class is just started now. Algorithms is the subject name. Right? Date is this one. Just started. It is just started now. Until now, I said the syllabus and all just started. 28:25 algorithm subject is starting. Right. Next one. Right. So before starting, let me say one important thing. See, these are our students. So one of our student Kartikeya. Right? So now he is working in the Meta London. Meta London is working. Kartikeya is working in Meta London. So he got the job in the Microsoft also, Google also, Amazon also, and now currently is working in the Meta. Right? One more student, Amit Shukla, placed in Google, is currently working Google Hyderabad. There are so many people, not one or two, so many people. You will also going to be very big company. A few people we presented here. You are also going to be very big company. The only thing is learn DSA properly. Right? DSA with the system design. You can join this course if anyone is not joined. Right? Next one, DSA with the app development. Right? DSA with the web development. Any one of the course you can join. DSA with the web development, DSA with the app development, right? DSA, only DSA with the system design, whatever course you want, you can join. Next one, DSA with Oracle database also there. If you want to be backend developer, this is also okay. Any one of the course you can join. Whatever course you like, you can join. These are our people, right? So many people are placed. From the last 15 years, I'm teaching. Lakhs of people I guided. Many people are there in the big MNCs. You will also be there in the big MNC. You will also be there in the big MNC. Right. Right. Now let's come here. Let's come here. You can join whatever course you want, you can join. Let's come here. Right? So algorithm subject starting, this, that, right? And as I mentioned to you, see this one, 60% offer is going on. 60% offer going on, utilize it. 60% offer is going on, utilize. This is the code. This is the code you can use. EPT 595 ARG. EPT 595 ARG. This is the code you can use. 60% discount is going on. And one more thing I want to say to you. One more thing I want to say to you. Just listen. Just listen. One more thing. If you study properly, this algorithm subject 15 days will be over. Study properly, algo will be over 15 days. Study properly, this programming will be over 5 days. Study properly, this data structure will be over 5 days. Sorry, 15 days. Right? If at worst case, 15 to 20 days, algo will be over. 15 to 20 days, algo will be over. Next one, 5 to 10 days, programming will be over. 5 to 10 days, programming will be over. 15 to 20 days, data structure will be over. So these three, if you observe clearly, 20, 20, 10. So within 50 days, these three subjects will be over. In my opinion, if you plan properly, whatever I will say, if you do, right? 15 to 20 days, I'll go over. 5 to 10 days, programming will be over. 15 to 20 days, data structure will be over. Try to understand. This. 15 to 20, I'll go. 5 to 10 days, programming. 15 to 20 days, data structure. These three combined, 50 days, it will be over. I said 3 months. Worst case. If you plan properly, 50 days enough. Within 50 days, you will become a DSA expert. Just to do one more, right? One more 50 days. Add here for practice. Every day 5 problems practice, or every day 10 problems practice. Right? So I think 50 into 10, every day 10 problems. If you practice 50 days, 500 problems will be over. So 50 days for the getting the concepts, 50 more days for the practice. If you do that, you will be so good in DSA. These things, whenever you want, you can study. These three things, whenever you want, you can study. I'm saying to you, plan properly. Algo will be over in 15 to 20 days. Just to plan properly. Right? Programming is 5 to 10 days. Data structure is, right, 15 to 20 days. Right? Careful. This is the syllabus of algorithm. Right? So now I am starting. Algorithm 28-25. So this is the code, 60% is code there you can apply, and you can join. If anyone is not joined, you can join. EPT 595 ARJ. This is the code. Yeah, this is the starting day. Right? This is the starting day. If anyone join tomorrow, they will become victims. Right? Tomorrow, freshly, I will start. If anyone having any issue, this is the WhatsApp number. You can ping me. Right? Sir, I am not joined the group, sir. I want to join. There is a group also. Any small doubt also there. You can post in that group. Right? Small doubt also there. You can post in that group. Right? It's a WhatsApp number. Just ping me. I will add you in the group. DSA people, there is a separate group is there. In that group, you can join. You can ask all DSA doubts. You can join in that group. You can ask all DSA doubts. Tomorrow, as soon as I will start algorithm. Right? This is the group. Right? This is right. Just WhatsApp me. I will add you in the group. Remember, work properly. Within 50 days, you will be so good in DSA. Whatever I will say, please do that. One more 50 days, 500 problems you can practice. Totally 50 plus 50, 100 days. 100 days means approximately 3 months. Worst case, it may go because some people are there, may not be that much sharp. Worst case, 6 months. Within 6 months, you will be hero. Within 3 months, if you do properly, within 3 months. Worst case, 6 months. Right? So just WhatsApp me, I will add you in the group. If anyone is not there in the group, you can ask me, I will add you. And right, we will give the 500 practice problems also. We will give 500 practice problems also. We will give, you can work on that. We will give 500 practice problems also. You can work on that. Tomorrow, 8 o'clock. Tomorrow, 8 o'clock, class will start. Tomorrow, 8 o'clock, class will start. 8 p.m. Right? Without missing, please come. Tomorrow, 8 o'clock. Right? This class will start. Without missing, please come. Without missing, please come. Okay, fine. Thank you. See you in the next class. Because I want to start now, but the thing is, some people who will join tomorrow, they will become victim. Someone is saying that Pankaj is saying that this is C++ or C. Any language, 4 programming languages we will give. Pankaj, we will give 4 programming languages. 4 programming languages we will give. Right? So, right, you can go for C, C++, Java, Python, any language. Any language. Sir, I am planning for DSA and system design. Which course should I buy for placements? Yeah, you can go for that. DSA plus system design course you can buy. Right? Any language. Pankaj, language is not a problem because almost all will be similar. Small changes. Small changes. We will give 4 languages also. Whichever language you want, you can learn. Whichever language you want, you can learn. 4 languages we are going to cover. Someone is saying, Kavi Ranjan saying that, Kavi version saying that course fees. Yeah, 60% offer also going on, you can go ahead. 60% offer also going on, you can go ahead. Right? Fine. You will be expert. You will become so good in DSA within 50 days only. Study properly 50 days. Maximum 50 to 100 days. Means 3 months. Within 3 months, you will be expert. If you study properly, within 3 months, you will become expert. Sir, where we will get the live classes after purchasing the system design? Would we also be joining live classes? Of course. Live also there, recording also there. Live also there, recording. So live is going on. Live also there, recording also there. Fine. Live also there, recording also there. It is a mixed one, hybrid one. Some classes are live, some classes are recording. Fine. Tomorrow at exactly 8 o'clock I will start. Tomorrow exactly 8 o'clock I will start. Right? So see you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. If you want to be expert in the DSA, this is the best one. This is the best one. Please start. Within I am saying to you, within 50 days, you will become so good in DSA. Within 50 days, you will become so good in DSA. Try to understand. Someone is saying that course fee, placements are. It is a placement ready course. Correct? Have version, so it is a placement. It is a placement ready course. If you want 100% placement, that course also available. 100%, right? 100% placement course also available. That will be costly, but that is also available. Can you see this? See, 100% job guarantee course. 100% job guarantee course. This course also available. If you can join this. Right? App development course, right? Web development course. 100% job guarantee course also going on. You can join. If you want 100% job, you can try this also. It will be costly, but you can buy if you want. Right? Fine. Chalo. Right? Thanks. Nice offer going on. Please utilize. 60% offer going on. 60% offer is going on. Right? Fine. Perfect. Tomorrow will start. Exactly 8 o'clock I will start. Exactly 8 o'clock I will start. Right? Fine. Thanks. See you in the next class. Thanks everyone.